The need for healthcare services is growing, and providers are turning toward innovative solutions like virtual care to meet the demand. Ohmni Telepresence is at the forefront of this movement, setting a new standard for virtual care in hospitals, healthcare organizations, and provider agencies. Ohmni is a fully mobile robot equipped with high-definition video and audio for two-way communication that feels as natural and personal as any face-to-face interaction. Designed for versatility, Ohmni Telepresence robots seamlessly integrate into a variety of healthcare settings. With Ohmni, time management and productivity can reach unmatched heights. As an example, healthcare providers no longer need to travel for every consultation, saving precious time while still delivering personal and enhanced care. The result? A significant boost in satisfaction of both patients and staff. Patients will experience seamless, non-intimidating virtual care that fosters a sense of comfort, while providers can continue practicing at the top of their license from anywhere in the world. Ohmni Telepresence, transforming virtual care one interaction at a time.